Hey y'all, don't mind the noise. It's actually gonna be a real thunderstorm. Sorry, had to wipe. Well, said my cot on a rope is swinging everywhere. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and it is as dark as it is at 9:30 at night here. It was nice and bright earlier. So, sorry. This is a swing. We actually had some thunder and rain. I need that lawn chair with a canopy so I can just stay out here in it. But thunder and rain. Now this is what I like in the rain. Everything blowing. Woo. Come on. So I gotta go make sure my little chicken gets in and the rain can blow in on her. Come on, Laura. Come on. Yeah. Yucky old chair, which I have green mat on, is getting blown all over the place. Everything's getting blown around. Yay! Let's just listen to it for a while. See, now I'm soaked. Yay! And it's chasing me in the house. Come on, Laura! Well, let's get in your house. Come on, Laura! She's all freaked out. Anyway, yay! Lovely. Now that's what I like. So I had to go out and make sure Moira's gotten her little hut. I think this video can show it. You can see the rain blowing. Oh, I love it. And there in the chicken shack, you can see the Brahmas and at least one of the leghorns. The other one's probably in the coop. Like, oh my God, it's raining so hard. And the way it's blowing, it cannot blow into the chicken shack. Like I said, the vent windows are along both sides. They're 4 inches, but they got a little bit of overhang, and they're high enough that they're right over the overhang, so that heat can go up and out, but rain can't go in. Finally, now this weekend when we got some heavy rains, it came down like this, but straight down. No thunder and lightning really, except for that one morning's video. You know, we had some flash flooding. Today it said possible thunderstorm before 11, and it's probably, I don't know, close to 10 o'clock now, or a little bit after 9 a.m. When you get up as early as I do, blowing in my face. You for sometimes you lose what time it is.